Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today's dish is known as the king of the desserts. On hearing its name, we start drooling. Not only grown-ups, but also children are fan of this dish. This is known as Rabri. The taste is incomparable and unparalleled. Whenever you make this dish at your home and present it to your family and friends, you will get a lot of appreciations. So, without wasting any time, let's prepare this awesome tasted dish together.
Thick milk skin layer along with thick aromatic sweet milk is known as Rabri. Having this dessert makes you delighted even in depression. For this awesome dessert, I have taken 1 liter milk, saffron a little, cardamom whole and powder, and sugar 2 spoons. Now heat the pan and boil milk. You need to take full cream milk or cow milk only. Double tone milk won't serve the purpose here. After boiling milk in high flame, let the foam get stuck to side of the pan. For preparing payesh or kheer, we need to stir constantly for not to get milk skin layer. But here we need this skin layer. So once skin layer forms, stir it away towards the side of the pan. Repeat this every time when the skin layer forms. Slowly the layers on pan will become thick. And we need to stir gently, otherwise milk will burn out at the bottom of the pan. Heat the pan constantly in low to medium flame. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Please press the bell icon to get all the videos notifications. Please share my videos to others. I will wait for your like and comment. I am sharing some good recipes in my description box. So please check those and try those at your home and let me know. Look at the thick milk skin layer around the pan. Now put off the flame and cool it down. Color of the milk will change slowly as it is appearing here. Collect the skin layer into different container like this. Now pour rest of the milk to other pan and heat it in low flame. You can notice here some skin layer too. It is perfectly okay. Add sugar in it. Stir it. Add cardamom and saffron in it for aroma. Stir it. Now put off the flame. Let's taste it. Too good. This is your favorite rabri. It is very easy to cook. So prepare this at your home and let me know how it is. I put some almonds and pistachio on it to decorate. You can avoid those too. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.